How are you doing? This is ND Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop Windows 11 from using your PC or other PCs to share your bandwidth to do updates. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. So let's go ahead and just start by right-clicking on the Windows Start button and select Settings. So on the left side, you want to select the Windows Update. And now on the right side, you want to select Advanced Options. If you scroll down, go underneath Delivery Optimization, go ahead and click on that. If this is Allow downloads from other PCs, the PC may send parts of your previous downloaded Windows updates and apps to devices on your local network or on the internet. We can go ahead and just turn that off by toggling that to your off position. And you can also adjust the Allow Downloads option from here too, so if you want to keep it on, but you can allow devices from your local network or devices on the internet and my local network. So, pretty straightforward process there, guys. Feel buzz will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.